To change straps or bands on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, all you simply have to do is grab your watch, and on the other side of the watch you can take a look, and each of these sides where you can attach the straps, there are little buttons on this side and on this side too. So I recommend you to grab your watch like this, and with your thumb you have to press this button right here, and after you press it hard enough you will be able to take it out and take out this strap. Same thing on the other side, simply grab it like this, push this button and take out the strap, just like this. And to put the straps back in if you want to change them or anything, simply to put them back in, all you simply have to do is just put them in, just like this, until you hear the click, just like this. Or you can also, without the click, you can simply press this button and then put this strap in with the button pressed, and after it is in you can release the button, and as you can see the strap is in. So you can do it like in the silent way, or in this like with the click, with the noisy way, I don't know, but simply, yeah, that's how to change straps or bands on the Huawei Watch Fit 4.